Hi, Andrew with Zang Physical Therapy here, and today I have a message for people who may be suffering with plantar fasciitis or plantar heel pain or just heel pain, whatever you want to call it. So one of the biggest things that people with heel pain wake up with, or one of the biggest problems, I should say, is when you first get out of bed in the morning, that's when your foot hurts the most. And after you walk for a few minutes, it may reduce a little bit. And the exact same thing may happen if you're sitting at your desk chair for a while, maybe 40 minutes, an hour, you get up and it hurts again, then it eases. Okay, these are very common things, and I have a couple quick tips for you today that will help ease some of the pain. Not necessarily take it all away, but help ease it, because there's no substitute for a hands-on screen. So these exercises I'm going to show you are not meant to be a cure, but are something to hopefully help you out. So the very first thing that you can do, and I tell everybody to do this, before you let your feet hit the ground and you put weight on it, walking to the bathroom in the morning, what you want to do is you want to cross one leg over the other. We'll say it's your left foot. You want to grab onto your left big toe and pull it up. So you start to get a little bit of stretch in your arch here. And then once you have that stretch on, you're going to massage your foot a little bit. Maybe 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, what this is going to do is it's going to stretch out this tissue that got a little bit tight during the night. And it's also going to enhance blood flow. So when you step up, maybe your foot only hurts a 4 versus an 8. Okay? And it will hopefully help to get you started into your day a little bit easier. So that's the number one thing you're going to do when you roll out of bed. Okay? Another thing that you might want to do, grab yourself an old dish rag that you don't care about. And what you're going to do with your socks off is you're going to try to grab on the towel with your toes and curl it up. You're going to hold it for a couple seconds, and then you're going to release it, and you're going to repeat this. Should not be painful. If you sense that your foot may cramp, this might not be the best thing for you, because some people do cramp. But what you're going to do is just slowly curl, hold a couple seconds, and let go. You can do this as much as you like throughout the day. Oftentimes I'll tell people to do it during the commercial of your favorite show. So that's about 90 seconds to 2 minutes worth of an exercise. Okay? One of the last things I want to show people to do, I'm going to have you stand up. You can do it on the carpet if you like, or you can do it on a hard floor. But as you stand up, you're going to feel that your feet kind of collapse. And what you're going to try to do is roll your foot a little bit to the outside, but you're going to want to keep all your toes on the ground. So if you notice as I do that, my arches kind of lift, and then when I let go, my arches are going to relax towards the floor again. You're going to rock up and out, and then you're going to let them collapse again. Same thing. You can do this as much as you like over the course of a day. I often tell people to do it for about one commercial that's on television, one commercial break. All right, so those are probably 3 of the most important things that you can do if you're somebody suffering from heel pain. Again, these are not meant to cure anything by any stretch. You can certainly continue with the ice cups or frozen ice bottle, which I'm sure people have heard about. And there are many other things that you can do and other suggestions that I would have for you. But those things can only be determined with a full-on examination, whether you see a podiatrist, your family doctor, or if you come to somebody that's a physical therapist like myself. Hopefully these were helpful. If you do have any more specific questions, please shoot me an email at andrew@zangpt.com.